Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to use the Maintain Account feature in SQL Accounting software. The Maintain Account feature allows you to create, manage, and organize your company's chart of accounts. It's the foundation of your company's entire accounting structure. In this video, we'll walk you through some examples of how to create new account. Let's begin. First, let's create a new account. Go to the Non-Current Assets section. Point to the non-current asset group and click New to create a new account. Enter your account details such as GL code and description. Alphanumeric characters are accepted. Once done, click OK. If the account requires accumulated depreciation, create another account and tick Special Account Type, Accumulated Depreciation Account, then click OK. After both accounts are created, you'll see them listed under non-current assets. This setup ensures your balance sheet shows the correct cost, accumulated depreciation, and net book value. Next, let's create a sub-account. Now, look at current assets. Point to a parent account, for example, cash at bank. Click New, enter the GL code and description, and you'll notice the system automatically suggests the related special account types. For example, if you're creating your company's bank account, choose Bank Account as the special account type, then click OK. If this is a foreign bank account, after creating it, remember to go to Tools, Maintain Payment Method and assign the relevant currency code to this bank account. Finally, let's create multiple levels of sub-accounts. Let's look at an example under Expenses. For instance, under Claim, we can add a sub-account called Petrol. If you already created Petrol earlier, simply drag and drop it under Claim. When prompted, click Yes to confirm. To create another sub-account under Claim, select Claim, click New, and enter the code in description. Then click OK. You can also create multi-level sub-accounts. For example, under Petrol, add Car 1 and Car 2 as sub-accounts. Additional tips, you can edit or change the account code and description at any time, even if transactions already exist. If you accidentally create an account under the wrong parent, just drag and drop it to the correct parent account, as long as it has no transactions yet. And that's it. We've successfully completed the Maintain account. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos. Follow us on Facebook to stay updated. Visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.